Hi guys! Today we will make a face-up for Peri and Pearl. These heads were reduced, so they are hard as a plastic. And it was a mistake to keep a fabric face-up, because now it's so hard to clean it up. But I made it! Before the painting, I always seal the face. And the first step is sketch the eye shape. When I'm satisfied with it, I cure it with sealant. If I want dark lips, I use paint and thin brush, and slowly and careful draw it. To give the individuality to the twin, I decided to paint the teeth. And the eyes. I sketch iris shape and color the sclera with white acrylic paint. The best materials for blushing are soft dry pastel and fluffy small brushes. I prefer to use individual brush for each color. More about materials I use you could learn in my previous video. Tap to the eye in the right corner. As usual, I paint eyelashes with watercolor brown pencil. And the first twin is done. If you want to make the face up for twins too, you should paint them at the same time, step by step. So, how to make the pigmentation I will show you on the second twin. You will need watercolor paint and brushes 00 or smaller, and make dots in random color and size. Add highlights to the eyes. And face up is done. But now I realized that I have a problem. Because of the reducing, hole in the head is smaller than the next joint. So I will cut the plastic a bit. But it's not enough. And I cut the excess inside of the head. And it helps. Joint works well. Do you want to see the complete look? And here it is. Doll has alpaca wigs and some punk style. What do you think? Hope you'd like that. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to support my channel, you can share my videos and leave a comment below. See you in the next video. Bye!